That's the interlock, 2 screws, and remove it, replace it. You actually don't have to remove this part if you don't have a problem with the handle, but I have a problem with the handle also, and I will try to get that replaced. But to change the interlock only, you just have to remove the screws and change here. There is also this spring. This thing holds the gasket in place. And just remove it gently. Okay, like that. Now we can get to the interlock. It's behind here, and I just have to open it. One screw. Second screw. That's the interlock, and it has a connector. That's the connector inside. This is the part that needs to be replaced. MetalFlex ZV446 T85 in my case. That's the part. Interlock. I'll compare this to the new one. I'll go and buy one and come back. Don't use the washing machine until you put it back. Okay. try the interlock. Okay, I'll try the interlock. Have to check if this works. Okay, power on. Set to stop. I'll power it on. You see if it flashes when I try to start it. For now this is okay, so I'll try to start. Should lock. Okay, it clicked. Okay, first step good. Okay, so it locked. Now I'll check if it unlocks. Drain. Okay, stop. It keeps feeling, so I power off. Set it to stop. Drain. And start. This is locked now. That's good. Still locked. I can't open it. Okay, the program is finished. I will set it to stop, and we should wait for the clank. Power off. The clank should work even with the power off. Now it's locked. Hopefully it works. Waiting for one clank. It might take 1 minute. Clank. Okay. That means it's unlocked, but will it open? It opens. The interlock releases from here. The handle works. All good. Thanks for watching. Wasn't sure if this is gonna work, but all good. Let's try one more time. Set it to some program. Start. Should clank. That's the clank. I'll stop it. Power off. Even with water inside of it, is if it's powered off, it will still clank, and you can open it, even if there's water there. Now there's just a bit, so it's okay. So can't open now. Clank. Okay. Even with the water inside, I can open it, but I will run the drain. I will let it finish by itself now after the drain. For now I can't unlock it. Still not ready, should say there. Okay, the program is finished. It clanked and I can open the door. Thanks for watching. I keep the door open and this compartment so there's no mold inside. That's all.